Yeah, man, this is what we do.
Well, I want to dress like you.
This nigga Jerry.
Who is you?
This nigga. Like a fresh ass kid out the fucking bed and shit.
Man, I don't know, bro. I hope it fucking snow tomorrow.
This nigga chill. We just ain't this.
What you mean, no one
Chillin',
fucking one?
bro. This nigga up here, goddamn, just kicking on the phone and shit, bro. You know, we got them making jewels right now.
This nigga making videos about me and shit
Making
on the
jewels,
slick.
But you know, shit, you know what I mean? Let's get on these little punk ass motherfuckers at Creekside, you know what I mean? They wanna fight a nigga and shit. But when you see a nigga, you don't wanna hit a nigga.
I say fuck them niggas.
Yeah, we said. Yeah, that nigga Jerry said. That nigga like a little kid.
Yeah,
Pajama jam, nigga.
Bruh, shut the fuck up, bruh. You should fucking tell me, bruh. Keep it warm.
Yeah, you know, I got the red on. But you know what I mean, you know, shit speak for itself, you know. If you a lame ass nigga, bro, and you try to sit at our table in the morning, we gonna whoop your ass. If you try to hang with us and dap us up, act like you know us, we gonna whoop your ass.
Man, I say fuck every nigga that ain't affiliated with me, nigga.
If a nigga say they trying to play some tonk, knowing he ain't trying to put no money, we gonna whoop your ass.
Your ass super lame.
Then take your cards. But you know, shout out to all my goddamn. Oh shit! Off in a cut. The camera going dead. Cut, nigga.